Hello. So in today's video, we will be solving question 30 on the GCSE Maths Foundation Paper 2. It is a simultaneous equation question, so if you were able, pause the video and have a go. The question asks us to solve for x and y, as we can see. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure your x or your y aligns. So looking at this question, because we have y as a standalone on equation 1, it looks easier on the face of it to just align the y's. So label your equations, equation 1, equation 2 for the second equation, and we'll create the equation 3s and 4s when we, multiply our equation by a certain number of numbers. So, in order to make the y's align, we can just multiply the top equation by 3 and the bottom equation by 1. So now we're going to create a third equation, which we're going to use, which will be 3, I'll put it in brackets just to make it easier, but 3x plus y equal 3 negative 4.5. So expanding this out is 9x plus 3y equal negative 13.5. And that makes your equation 3. Always make sure, because a lot of students forget to do this, but make sure you multiply the right side of the equation after the equal to sign, because what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So, because we're multiplying that by 1, the whole equation stays the same. So just bring it down here as 4x plus 3y equal negative 3.5, which is your equation 4. So I'll just rub out these bits about the equations, but I've just done that just to explain to you how we generate the new equations and the equations that we eventually use to solve for x or solve for y. So this is the new equation that we will use to solve for y. So now you want to subtract the equations from each other. So 9x take 4x is 5x. 3y take 3y is 0. So the 3y's cancel out each other. We're going to write down the full thing to make it easier. So negative 13.5 take away, and I'll put it in bracket, negative 3.5. So 5x equals negative 13.5. Negative times negative is plus 3.5. So 5x equal negative 10. Divide both sides by 5, and x equals negative 2. So once you've got your x as negative 2, it's as easy as pie to find y. Just substitute your x into the easier equation. So equation 1, for example, is the easier equation in this case. So 3 negative 2 in the place of x plus y equal negative 4.5. And then we have negative 6 plus y equal negative 4.5. If you add 6 to both sides, you have y is equals to negative 4.5 plus 6. And then y equals 6 minus 4.5. Y is 1.5. And that is your answer. And that is how you solve a simultaneous equation question.